Sawa. Haya. Haya. Okay. Tulia, wacha nisome. A tribute from Raila Junior Odinga. My beloved mom, my sister Rosie and Winnie, my extended family, excellencies, distinguished guests, my fellow Kenyans, since I learned of my dad's demise, I have organized over how to best mourn him. My father was many things to me, to many people, but to my siblings and I, he was simply Dad. Dad embodied resilience, courage, and unwavering commitment to the ideals of freedom and justice. He always stood for what he believed was right, sometimes at great family cost and personal cost as well. He was my hero. And his legacy lives in me, in my siblings, and in all those whose lives he touched. I am my father's son. And that is why I will continue to fight for values he believed in: justice, fairness, and service to others. I am very alive to the fact that my brother Fidel is gone. I remain the gentleman of the family. Dad, I want you to assure you that I will take care of our family, Mom, Rosie, Winnie, and your larger political family too. Erokamano. Aya, hii sehemu, the refrain is Asante Baba. Nikinua fly risk, mnasema Asante Baba. Tujaribu mara ya kwanza. Asante Baba. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you for giving me your name and for never heaping the weight of it on me. Asante Baba. Thank you for the beautiful childhood that through the challenging times. Asante Baba. Thank you for believing in me, encouraging me to speak up and to try new things, for always hearing me out. Thank you for standing by me even when I fell short or outright failed, and for always showing me grace. Thank you for your wisdom, your guidance, and your unwavering love, not just for me, but our entire family. Mama, Fidel, Rosie, Winnie, Yvonne, Lion Amolo Odinga, Jaramogi Oginga Odinga. Thank you for grounding me in ways more of our people and encouraging me to be a man. I will deeply miss our family moments, our laughter, our conversation. I will miss watching Arsenali with you. I miss Arsenali. Aya, wacha nimalize. I thank God for you and for everything you have meant to me. You have run your race with honor, and may grace now lead you home. May the ancestors receive you and rest well. Nindikwe, Baba Aheri, Asante Baba, Asante Baba, Asante Baba, Joey, Joey, Joey.